Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty. Here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, nails, mid-size fashion, variety of different things. I'm really excited because today we're doing a Tuesday launch. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, I have been doing videos. I've partnered with a company called Hello Love that does luxury press-on nails, and I have been with them for a little bit over a year, and I am trying to do, for our fall launch for 2024, a video for every week that we launch a new press-on nail, kind of take you guys through it, talk to you about it, and then up here I will put an actual video of me wearing the nails so that you can see it on an actual hand, because sometimes that's a little bit different. So I'm really excited. Today is our Tuesday launch. So I'm pre-recording this, so I will have all the details down below, but it will launch on Tuesday, and it's usually 10, can't remember when it launches. I will put all that stuff below. But I'm really excited today because we are launching it's a old nail, but in a new shape. So without further ado, this is the nail that is going to launch. This is Burning Blue in our Squoffin. So we have 4 different shapes. We have our Squoffin. Now the Squoffin is going to be a mix between a coffin and a square. So it's not going to be as straight up and down as a square. It's going to be a little bit tapered in, but it's not going to be as tapered as a coffin nail. So to me, this is my favorite shape because when I used to go to the nail salon a couple years ago, this was the shape that I would ask for. I didn't know what it was called. I just said square with little tapered ends, because I feel like if you're looking for a nail nail shape that elongates your fingers, this does a really, really good job. But what I love about this nail, it's like a galaxy nail. So it is a dark blue, but it's got some like star power to it. I don't know. You can see in the video, it's got this like glittery finish in it. So it's a little bit dark. It's got a dark kind of navy background, but then in certain lights, it will kind of shift to more of like a royal blue, maybe not this bright, but kind of bright. So I call it the galaxy nail. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And especially for fall, I think this is definitely a nail that's beautiful to rock. We also have this in our short length. I do not have it. I had it. I can't figure out where the heck I put it. I was trying to find one that is actually available, but this is our short length, and you can see the difference there. So one thing that I like about the Squoffin is I have very long nail beds. So for me, this Squoffin shape is more like a medium nail. It's not a long nail on me. If you have somebody who has short nail beds, this may be very, very long for you. You can always trim them down. So you can either get those little nail clippers, you can find them off of Amazon, or you can just file them down. But you can definitely customize it to whatever length you want. And then we have our short. That is what I'm wearing in this color. I'm on it right now. This is the color I'm on it. It is probably the most, it's the easiest shape to wear because it's nice and short, but you can see here, my nail beds are very long. So for me, that they are very, very short, but I like them because I can do all the things with them. I can still do all the things with this one, but this is just kind of my everyday go style. So that is the nail that is launching today, Squoffin. We do have it in the short, and we have it in the Squoffin, and yeah. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So let me take you real quick. If you are new, let me tell you what you actually get in every single full pack. So with our full sets, you get 2 tiers of nails. And what makes Hello Love, one of the things that makes Hello Love different is we have them all organized. So if you've ever used like Kiss Nails or Red Aspen, pretty much all the nails, I think maybe Static Nails has them a little bit organized, but this one is all organized, and every order you get, you're going to get a little card like this. It's going to have instructions on how to apply them and how to take them off, but it's also going to have this. And you can see here, this guy coordinates with this. So you don't have to wonder, okay, is this a 0? Is this a 1? I can't see it. You just reference it here. Why I tell you this is if you are starting out in the press-on nail world, what I recommend is when you first do your nail set, correspond it to this card and then write it down on here, because if you are a 0 in the thumb, you're going to be a 0 on the thumb for every single set. So what this does is if you write it down and reference it, you don't have to resize them every single time you do them. You can just reference your card and it will save you time in the future. So that's why that's important. So you're going to get 2 sets two tiers, and then on the very bottom is where our tools are. So you're gonna get a nail file. The blue is for the press-on to shape them. The pink is for your natural nail. You're gonna get a tube of glue, and then you're going to get the cuticle stick to push back your cuticles or pop them off or do whatever you need to do. So that is everything that you need to do your full set of nails. Now, what I recommend 2 extra products, actually 3 extra products to be completely honest. So the first thing I recommend is you get some kind of alcohol, little swabs or rubbing alcohol or whatever. This is going to help cleanse your nail. So what I do is I will file my nails, I will cleanse them with this. I do my fingertips, I do my whole nail beds, everything. This cleanses your nails, make sure there's no oily residue. The other thing that I recommend that you pick up is nail dehydrator. Now, it doesn't have to be Hello Love nail dehydrator. You can pick up any nail dehydrator, but strongly recommend that you pick up a nail dehydrator. And the reason for that is this is a game changer when it comes to longevity. If you're having pop-offs, the first thing I ask you is, are you using a nail dehydrator? Even if you go to the nail salon and you get your nails done, they are still going to dehydrate your nails, because what it does is it pulls off any moisture from your nails and it makes sure that the glue is really strong when it bonds to your nail. So definitely recommend you pick up that. And then the other thing I pick up from feedback from my customers is the brush on glue. So with every set, you are going to get a tube glue, but the tube, I've heard feedback that it's a little bit messy and it can be hard to work with. So what I now recommend is, if you are new to the press-on world, that you pick up the press-on glue. What this does, or the press-on glue, the brush on glue. It is a brush here. You apply it like you would nail polish. It just makes it a little bit easier to get the right amount and you don't have spillage and all that stuff. Now, a pro tip is you will only have to ever purchase this once. Once you get low, keep these, because, and I have a little carousel where I keep these. And when I'm getting low, I just open this up and I replenish it here, and I have an endless supply of brush on glue. So you never have to repurchase it right here. And you're not wasting the glue. So those are the 3 things that I recommend that you pick up in addition to the full set. So let me know down below if you are excited about burning blue coming in the Squoffin. I will leave my website down below so that you can shop. There's always a bundle on the day of launch and the day after. So 2-day bundle. I'll have that down below so that you guys can see it. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.